Right, here's a washing machine making a ton of noise. Now on a flat surface, there's no excuses about it being on an uneven surface inside. Spirit level shows it's pretty much flat. All the feet are in the correct place, there's no rocking, but it knocks. It's defective. Despite what Samsung might insist that no, it's the way you've installed it, your floor's a problem. Well, the floor isn't a problem, it's the washing machine. A year we spent having this argument, and today we've gone to the trouble of taking it outside and setting it up. Same problem. Appalling piece of hardware. Plastic wrapping here just in case it rained, which it didn't, thankfully. So the mystery is solved. It knocks because it's defective. Right, lift it up. Let's show them the feet to make sure that you lift it up. I'll video the feet. Tilt it backwards. Right, we have captured the feet, which are fully retracted. Yeah. Thank you. Other side. And it was calibrated before we started this entire experiment of taking it out, running it outside. Actually, we don't need to look. Okay, we'll just. Yeah, fully retracted. And here as well, same. There. Right, proven beyond a shadow of a doubt, it's a defective machine, there's something knocking inside it, nothing to do with the floor being uneven or incorrect installation. This is the proof. They're going to stick on YouTube for them to work out and have a look.